Hello everyone, this is chapter food, and in this chapter, in chapter food, I will explain you what is food and types of the food items. So first, energy giving food. This I have explained in the previous class, and bodybuilding food. This is also explained in the previous class. And now today I will explain you protective food and other essentials. Okay, so you will listen carefully. Now see this, come to the protective food. See this is in this protective food, as the name protective, that means the food items which protect us from the diseases, that means keep us healthy, they are called protective food. Okay, now see that as you know that protective nutrients are there, that means the nutrients which are present in protective foods, they are called protective nutrients. And what are the protective nutrients? That are the minerals and vitamins. Okay, now see this, vitamins and minerals are the nutrients which protect our body and keep us disease free. Okay, so this vitamins and minerals protects our body and keep us disease free. So this is the protective nutrients, these are the protective nutrients. Okay, now we will ask about that, ma'am, how many types of vitamins are there? So listen that in your book, 4 types of vitamins are given, that are number 1 vitamin A, number 2 vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and 2 more vitamins are there. They are vitamin E and vitamin K. These 2 vitamins are not given in your book. Okay, you will read in standard 5. So these are the vitamins which are present in your body. And now see the name of the vitamin. See this table. Here the names of the vitamins are there and sources and functions are there. So you will see that the vitamin, first see vitamin A. So you will see the sources of vitamin A are spinach, carrot, milk, butter, egg, yellow fruits, and mango and papaya. Okay, in this in these fruit items you will get the vitamin A. And what is the function of vitamin A? Function of vitamin A, that is very much essential for the good eyesight and healthy skin. Okay, now come to the vitamin B. See this vitamin B. Vitamin B, the sources are the green leafy vegetables, soya bean, milk, beans and pea, and functions, it is required for healthy skin and proper functioning of the nerves. Okay, now see vitamin C. See this vitamin C, this is you get the vitamin C from the orange, lemon, amla, tomato, green vegetable, and it is needed for proper functioning of the blood vessel, for keeping gums healthy and for healing the wounds. Okay, now see this vitamin D. Vitamin D, you are very much aware about this vitamin, that you all know that you get the vitamin D from the sunlight, milk, egg, butter, fish, food and liver oil, and it is required for the healthy bones and the teeth. Okay, so these are the vitamins, different vitamins A, B, C, D, and the sources are there and the functions are there. So you have to learn the table. Okay, and you will learn the table so that you could write the question answer of related to vitamins, different vitamins. Okay, now see this, you will see that do you know, in this do you know what is there, our body makes, see this, do you know, this is also very important, do you know, this is the important point. Our body makes vitamin D in presence of sunlight, and vitamin D helps our body when vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for strengthening our bone and the teeth. Okay, so this is very important for you. Okay, now Now see the diagram. Now see the diagram. In the diagram you will see these are the diagrams. In these diagrams different vitamins are there, okay, and we will draw this also. Now move to the next page. See in the next page, page number 55, see the table. This is very important table. See this table. In this table you will see the name of the minerals are there and the sources and functions are there. And one thing you keep in the mind that minerals are required in very small amount for our body, and that is very small. Our body needed minerals in very small amount. Okay, so you will see this here. The minerals are there: calcium, phosphorus, iron, and iodine. These are the minerals, and the sources are there. See, these sources of calcium is the milk, green leafy vegetable. Okay, and phosphorus is the milk, egg, fish, and green vegetable and pulses. Iron, pulses, so spinach and beans and apples. Okay, so and see the last mineral is iodine, that is iodine. You get the iodine in the iodized table salt, seafood like fish and prawns. And see the functions are there. For calcium, function of the calcium is required for the healthy bones and the teeth, and the function of phosphorus is for healthy, it is also for the healthy bones and teeth. And iron, it is required for the formation of the hemoglobin in our blood and to protect us from the infection. Okay, so hemoglobin is the main constituent of the blood, so it is very much essential to take the iron so that the RBC, red blood cell count will be maintained in your body. Now come to the iodine. It is necessary for the normal growth and development of the body. Okay, so these are the functions of the different minerals. Minerals are, so the minerals are the calcium, phosphorus, iron and iodine. These are the minerals which are essential for our body. And do you know minerals are needed by our body in a small amount. Here this is very much important, in a small amount. Okay, now move to the other essentials. See, the other essentials are rough phase, water. Okay, these are the other essentials, and balanced diet also there. So now you will ask, ma'am, what is rough phase? So rough phase is the fiber present in our food, and we get it mainly from the fruits and vegetable and pulses, okay, and whole grains. And fiber does not provide any nutrient to our body, but it helps in the to get rid of the undigested food item. Okay, so we also help, so it also helps us to avoid overeating. Okay, and roughage is therefore a very important part of our food. How? One thing that I would like to say you, the bowel movement. Bowel movement, that means when the digestion takes place, then after digestion, what happened? The undigested food item comes out to our body, and do you know, in this roughage help. Roughage is very useful in the bowel movement. That means in the excretion of the undigested food from our body. Okay, after digestion. So this is the important function of the roughage. Now come to the water. See, the water. Water is very essential, and without water we can't live. And see this, it helps in the digestion of the food and absorption of the nutrient in our body. And one more work is that it helps in throwing the waste from the body. Okay, body से जितने भी waste हैं body के in the form of urine or stool, they comes out to our body with the help of water. And so what should you do? You should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Okay, so this is about the roughage and water. Now come to the water balanced diet. This is very important topic for you. Now you will ask, ma'am, what is balanced diet? A diet having all the nutrients in proper amount is called balanced diet. What do you say? A diet having all the nutrient, having all the nutrients in proper amount. Proper, P-R-O-P-E-R, proper amount is called balanced diet. Okay. Now see this, this is a plate having the balanced diet, the eat well plate, balanced diet. See this, in this plate you will see bread and rice. See this, here the bread and rice, see, okay, and potato also, so energy giving food, carbohydrate is there, and milk, here milk and dairy products, that means protein, here food drink high in fat and sugar. See this, so you are getting here fat and sugar, and here also fish, that means protein, and here fruit and vegetable, that means vitamins and the minerals. So this is a balanced diet plate. You have to eat everything in proper amount. Okay, then you will get all the nutrient in proper amount. Now listen one thing, that for growing children it is very important to have a diet that contains more of the protein, carbohydrate and fat. Okay, and old people who are not very active need less energy, and they therefore need less of the carbohydrate and fats. Okay, so this is all about your chapter food items, foods. And now see the keywords are there. See these keywords are there. Balanced diet, a diet which contains all the nutrients, roughage and water in right amount. Here in nutrients, roughage and water in right amount, then it is a balanced diet. And second one is the carbohydrate, the nutrient which gives us energy. Okay, this is carbohydrate. And the nutrients, this is very important. What are the nutrients? The substance present in our food which are needed by our body to grow and to stay healthy. Okay, now see the protein, the nutrients which help us to grow. This is the protein. And roughage, see this roughage, this is also very important. The fiber present in the food which helps to get rid of undigested food is called roughage. Okay, now see this vitamin, the nutrients which help us to stay healthy and disease free is called vitamin. Okay, so that's all for today. And now you will read the chapter and you will learn and write the keywords. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.